Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you all doing great. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. You get the latest video as soon as I upload it. Today I'm going to do one sentence with Makaton sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. But first, let's read together. First, let's read together. One sentence with Makaton sound. And the sentence is hands on your body. Again, hands on your body. And it's time to sign. Let's sign together. Hands on your body. Again, hands on your body. I'll do one more time. Are you ready? Steady. Let's do it together. Hands on your body. Again, hands on your body. And it's time you to do it. Come on, let's go. I'll count 3. 3, 2, 1. Go and do it. Hands on your body. Again, hands on your body. And thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you learn it. One very useful sentence. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Is it on the left, on the right? You decide.